Hey YouTube, it's been a while. My name is Siddharth and welcome to Darth Sid Comics. I've renamed the channel. It is no longer SBR CBR because I just felt it was a little awkward to tell people the name of the channel as SBR CBR. So I thought of changing it completely to Darth Sid Comics. I think that there's a clever wordplay involved there. Also, for those of you who care, I have crossed about 100 subscribers, which is awesome. I really want to thank each and every one of you for staying subscribed because it's a big deal for me. Not a lot of people are doing this in India, and considering that I started doing this since a year, reaching the 100 subscriber mark is a pretty cool achievement. So yay, I'm really happy. This video is about me showing you all the cool stuff that I got for the month of December, which includes a lot of stuff that I bought from the Mumbai Comic Con. It also includes some proper novels, non-graphic novels that I picked up, and also some equipment that I have procured to make better videos. So let's just start off with my December haul. Alright, so starting off, I'd really like to mention this bad boy that's clipped onto my t-shirt. It's a microphone that's going to help me make better videos. One of my friends who was traveling from the States got it for me. Of course, that means you can hear the rickshaws and probably some construction noises as well. So I'm sorry, you just have to deal with that. Alright, so this was the microphone. Here's an awesome book that I picked up from Amazon India. This was something that I wanted to read since a really long time. This is India After Gandhi, written by Ramchandra Guha. So here's the thing with me. Every time I heard stories about Indian politics from my father or my grandfather, I used to be mesmerized. I used to be really fascinated by, who did what and why is that important in the context of today's discussions and all of that. So I've been eyeing this book since a long time, but I've been a little lazy because, as you can clearly see, this is a huge book, and it has a lot of information inside it, and this really seems like the book to go to if you know nothing about Indian politics, especially what happened after the independence. So this was a really nice pickup for this month, India After Gandhi. And the rest of the books that I picked up from Amazon, the rest of the non-graphic books, I think there's a graphical book here, but it's not exactly a comic book. Those were books that I picked up for ₹1. Now this was really awesome, right? Amazon India was doing this ₹1 treasure hunt sort of a thing a couple of days back, and they sort of left clues to the book title or the name of the author, and the consumers or whoever was on the app at the moment was supposed to search for that book or for that product. So I naturally took the contest to mean that I could get a book for ₹1, whereas a lot of other people got a laptop or got a TV for ₹1 as well. But hey, a book for ₹1 sounds like a better deal to me. Anyway, these are 3 books that I got for ₹1. That's not ₹1 each. That's 3 books for ₹1. This is the Ashwin Sanghi box set. The box was really in a damaged shape, so I tossed it out. The Rosabelle line, Chanakya's Chant, and the Krishna Key. So another book that I got for ₹1 was Oath of Vayuputras by Amish. And there's another book that I wanted to read for a long time, and the clue for this book was Walter found the job and then the rest of us did. So it was a no-brainer. Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. So yes, again, glad to have picked this up for $1. Awesome. And the last book that I picked up here was the graphical book, but not really a comic book. And the clue for this one was 3 days, less than 3 weeks, but it was a hell of a war. So naturally they were talking about 18 days, and this is a hardcover, by the way. And this is Grant Morrison's 18 Days. I mean, that's what the title says here as well. But here's the thing, this is not the comic book exactly. This is more of a prequel to the comic book. It has an introduction, it has a prologue and all of it, but it doesn't really have the comic book in itself. I thought this was the comic book, but it isn't. I was kind of disappointed, but then again, like, getting it for ₹1 is an awesome feeling, right? So 18 Days Part 1, actually, the prequel to the comic book. Right, so moving away from the ₹1 haul, or the $1 haul that as I like to call it, let's go on to some of the comic books that I picked up, and let me just show you the width. Wow, that's awesome, right? So all of this is from the Mumbai Comic Con, and I made it a point to collect some books from a lot of Indian publishers, because I really wanted to do that since a very long time, and I could finally go and do it. I met a lot of Indian publishers, and I picked up some books. I got some books signed from them. That was really cool for me. First up, we have Abhijit Kinney's Angry Maushi. I really loved this series. I read all 3 of them. Really enjoyed it. We'll be doing a separate review for these 3. So we have Angry Maushi. This is the first issue. This is the second one. I guess Second Blood is the name. And this is the third one. And what's really cool about this guy is, you know, he's very approachable, very friendly, and I was really happy to meet him. He's done a small sketch over here as well, for all 3 of my Angry Maushi comics. So that was really cool of him to do. So this is Angry Maushi 1, 2 and 3. I got some free comics from Graphic India. They were giving it out for free anyway. I think this is one. This is a crossover between Devi and Witchblade. I really don't know anything about the two, so I'm glad to have got this. And the next one was Chakra issue 1. Got a bunch of stuff from Holy Cow Entertainment. Vivek Goyal is really doing a lot of good things. So I got Shaitan issues 1, 2 and 3. This is a 4-issue miniseries as I understand it, and the 4th issue is going to come out sometime next year. Then I got Showcase book 7. The cover in itself is an awesome selling point for this book. It's a story on Ganga and Bhishma. Again, it's something to do with Indian mythology. Not really well versed with it, so I won't really comment on it much, but flipping through this book, I really think that it's going to be something that I enjoy. Look at this for a 2-page spread. How awesome is that, right? So really keen on reading this. Okay, some more Indian comics from Speech Bubble Entertainment, I believe. This is TNT, which is a 4-part miniseries again. Part 1, 2 and 3. This again seemed a little different, a little interesting, which is why I picked it up. Alright, so I also have some more Holy Cow Entertainment comics here. These are Aghori Bloodline issues, I believe. Well, these are neatly packed, so I don't want to disturb them. I'm pretty sure there are about 4 to 5 single issues in here. So that was it for all of my Indian comics for this month. Continuing with the haul, yes, there's about 4 to 5 books left. So the next book that I bought was Mind Management Volume 3, The Homemaker. This is a really amazing series. I loved the volumes before this, volumes 1 and 2. They were really awesome, and I can't wait to read this one as well. So I picked this up. Next up, I bought Batman Volume 6, Graveyard Shift. Another book that I picked up is Two Brothers by the two brothers Fabio Moon and Gabriel Ba. Really love this. Okay, so I think the last book for this haul video is an epic collection, my first epic collection, and this is Iron Fist. So I guess that was it for my haul of December. I've got a lot of books to read, right, and a lot of books to review. I will get back to reviewing books on a regular basis, on a lot more regular basis, because now I've got everything in place. I have an awesome tripod as well, before I forget. This is really sturdy and it's very stable, and more importantly, it's compatible with my phone. I can plug my phone into it as well. So that's good news for the channel as well. I will start putting out review videos of not only comics, but I really want to talk about some movies. I want to talk about some books as well. So let's see how that goes. So I will see you again next time. Till then, goodbye.